Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to Lee's Garage here on this week. We haven't posted in little over a month or so here on Lee's Garage. At least not a main video for the channel. We've done some shorts, things like that, but some stuff has been going on with KFX. And I also had to move. If you don't notice, this is a new place that I'm at. So yeah, the KFX had done a lot of work to it. That's until I seen it. Probably should have recorded it, but whatever. Here it is. She is wide as I'll get out. +3 front A-arms. Some cheapo shocks from eBay, which I'm gonna review, and we'll see how good they are. The plastics are just laying on it right now. I'm gonna take them off here right now. Okay. So yeah, no brake lines. Got to order brake lines for the front end because it's wider now. But that one over there is stiffer. I guess down. There you go. But yeah, let's throw the fuel tank back on it. I have some new lime around from the carburetor, new fuel line, and we can try and get it started today. Pick y'all up and I go for that. All right, you guys, I haven't got it started, but I have, but the carburetor needs took off and cleaned. I have it up on its back right now. I put the grab bar on. Yeah, so it doesn't look like my skid plate I have is gonna work with these Nerf bars because they go down here like that, and I scratched the frame up whenever I was moving this thing around. So it's whatever, though. I'd like to see that. And other than you guys don't know that. Yeah. So we're gonna have to get into that set of Nerf bars probably for it. These Nerf bars are factory Suzuki Nerf bars. Well, Suzuki / Kawasaki / Arctic Cat, whatever. They're all the same thing. So I have to get a set of. I'm probably gonna get a set of full Nerf bars because my heel guards won't work anyway. So I need a set of heel guards. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the alignment some because these wheels are off. So like that'd be straight right there, and these things aren't. The alignment ain't completely right. We're gonna have to actually align it though later. And these wheels are very, very beat up and need painted. Yeah, so figuring things out. We're also going to find somehow to put brake lines on this thing, like custom make brake lines for it. So yeah, so that's all that's going to have to be done to it. No point in leaving it up, to be honest with you. Yeah, let me do something real quick. Yeah. So these new Nerf bars, that kind of thing. If I could buy a set of plastics, I'd buy a set of plastics. I gotta order Nerf bars for it, and I gotta order a +4 rear axle for it because the front end is much wider than the rear end. Yeah. We had the blob delete here, so basically all it is, when you flip the key on, key's on. dirt bike style. Yeah, I gotta pull that carburetor off and clean it, and yeah, so these A-arms are the cheap ASI A-arms from eBay. They don't fit completely right, but at minimum work. You gotta bend the mounts in on the bottom. Yeah, so I bet this is really gonna be it for this week. We're just gonna look over this thing. I'm just showing everything I've done to it. Yeah, the frame I have scratched up and it bothers me. Oh, you just too much clear on it. So we'll shoot back. I'm gonna shoot back to that time-lapse video of us painting the frame right here. Okay, after y'all seen that time-lapse video, I use too much clear, so it scratches super easy. One day I'm gonna tear it all back down again, probably get it powder coated. It's probably what I should have done in the first place, but I'm too cheap. I want to get those Nerf bars. I want to get a full set of Nerf bars that are black to match the bumper and things like that. And then I want to take those springs off and paint them. I might paint them green. Or I might just order shock covers for it. Because at the same time, I don't like messing with those springs. So, yeah. That's it for this week. Sorry, I've been posting, that kind of thing. So, yeah. Like, subscribe, that kind of thing. More should come, but, you know, just figuring things out right now. So, yeah.